Every total solar eclipse shows you a white corona. Textbook says so, photos confirm it, except this one, shot from Benavente, Spain, on August 12th, 2026, which came out gold. Deeply, unmistakably gold. Why? The corona is always there, wrapped around the sun like a faint atmosphere, but we can only see it when the moon cuts the main light off. And when we finally get a look at it, it should be white, a mix of every color of sunlight scattered off free electrons. So the gold you're seeing here isn't normal. Something had to strip the blue out before this light ever reached the camera. Here's the first filter: geography. Totality over Benavente, Spain happened near sunset, so the sun sat low on the horizon. Low-angle sunlight has to travel through a much thicker slice of atmosphere than noon sunlight. We're talking roughly 40 times more air. That extra air scatters away the short blue wavelengths, just like a regular sunset does, leaving the longer reds and oranges to dominate. But that alone might not have been enough to paint the corona this deep. The second filter was forest fire smoke. Active fires near Spain that week pushed extra particles into the air, and smoke is very good at mopping up what blue light the atmosphere left behind. Two filters stacked. The result is a corona that looks less like the sun's atmosphere and more like something from a Renaissance painting. And then look closely at the left edge of the moon. That small, vivid pink dot. That is a solar prominence, a loop of hydrogen plasma arching off the surface. Everything around it turned gold. But hydrogen glows at a very specific color, a deep rose red called H-alpha, and no amount of smoke or low-angle air could shift it. Its color survived completely intact. Two things happening at once: a star's outer atmosphere, accidentally dyed by wildfire smoke, and a setting sun, and one tiny pink loop that held its own color through all of it. The corona changes with every eclipse, every location, every fire season. Makes you wonder, every golden sunset you've ever seen was the same filtering at work, just without the moon, to show you what it was doing to the light above. We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the selector finds next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.